this we are talking about now. Yeah. Watch around your son. Oh man, I run man away. I be a man around here. I really man. Yeah, so we are talking about. Yeah. Every look, I saw one see big house. Oh boy, what you wanna? I castle this.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another driving through Jamaica.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, as you just heard in the intro. And right about now, we're there in a Mandeville, people. Yeah, we're there a country. You see me? Yeah, we're there a country. You see me? Yeah, we're gonna go our place, Ingleside Drive. And this is where we are headed right now. You see me? Yeah, my people. We just take on through the community. We just gonna do a drive through the community. You understand? And see if we see no big house. Cause you know them say Mandeville known for big house. Yeah. So I don't know. If you know the place in a Mandeville where have the biggest houses, comment and let me know. Alright? Yeah, drop them in the comment section and let me know, alright? Yeah. I make you see what go on, see? Some of us want to say yo, shout outs to all the new people them. You see me? Shout outs to the new people them over there. Bless up on yourself when you don't know. Manners and respect, you see me? Yeah. Yeah, I'm a regular people them when you don't know. You know the thing already, man. Bless up for yourself, you see? Yeah, mama people. Right about now, it's the afternoon, you know. Yeah, it's what 17 minutes after 1 p.m. in the afternoon, alright? Yeah, mama people. How does that take your time and go for find this place, yeah? Yeah. Alright? Holy crap, big house over here, too, you know. Oh, Bellevue Heights. Okay, not bad. Bellevue? Oh, Bellevue. Oh. Good thing you can read. Big up Kimina people, she par with me, you know. Good thing she can read. Because while I come see one side, I think it has a Bellevue Heights. She say a Bellevue. Make sure you're right, you know, because when I edit it, I can see it back, you know. And if you're wrong,
at the roundabout, take the second exit.
If you're wrong, I'm gonna say, yo, Kimmy was so wrong. I put that text. Okay. Yeah, my people, so we'll take a little time, you know. We have a few clouds in the sky, but I don't think it's gonna rain. We checked the weather earlier and say it should be a nice day today, you know. Yeah. It's hot though, it's hot, people, it's hot. It's hot, but it's not humid. It's windy outside. So if you find a little cool shade, whereas if you go eat some food, you're gonna go sleep. You see me?
At the roundabout, take the second exit on 8th Winston Jones Highway.
Sure, that's the second exit. What? That look like it? Oh. Really, that's up. Okay. Alright, so this cover some. I wonder if I can carry the. Well, I don't know.
In 3.2 kilometers. At the roundabout, take the second exit on 8th Winston Jones Highway.
Yeah, people may not really know the way, you know. I don't really know Mandeville like that. Like, one time I used to kind of have an idea, but now, I don't really have it. See, I brother sell some fruits. He have jackfruit, and he have the good old apple. I buy some, you want to eat some apple, Kim? I buy some apple, but not right. So when we pass some more fancier fruit stall, you can park up in front of it and make you see what I go on. See? Because I know enough I want to see, you know, I like Jacqueline and June, the whole of the female, Vivian, All I wanna recap, I don't wanna see the little fruit stall them, you know. The whole heap of fruits them pan it and them little thing there, you know. I find a nice bossy fruit stall, man, and stop, man. You get me? But boy, the jackfruit, them look good though, man. Nah lie, I eat some jackfruit. Who do you eat some? You eat jackfruit? I eat some jackfruit, people. Nah lie too, no. One truck or something in front of us, so that's why it kinda we have to do that go slow here, but we soon go round it still. Downhill we are going to, you know, people, yeah. Winston Jones Highway. That's what this road is called. So yeah, if anybody there way forward from Mandeville, just drop in the comment section, no man. Chat to me and make me know which part of Mandeville you're forward from. Make me know which part of Mandeville I for go. Where the big house them they like more wanna talk to me and tell me. Alright? Yeah, make me know. Cause me not lie, you know, people. Couple places me look me and see the big house them like all I want to just gonna left with them. Yeah. Yeah man, I know this probably look like a garbage truck or something though. Or a truck where I carry garbage. Not only the official garbage truck, but truck where I carry garbage. So it looked to me, you know? Yeah.
In 300 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit. At the roundabout, take the second exit on 82 Winston Jones Highway.
Alright, second exit, that's it people. Second exit. Peer don't check there and sell the next food stall, you know man. What?
In 2.2 kilometers, turn right on Ingleside Drive.
Alright. So 2.2 kilometers from here, so. I get a call. Alright, hold on, she's not going. Maybe I didn't see. Okay, guys. Just did I get a car, people. With that one, if I did mistake.
Hundred meters. Turn right. Right on Ingleside Drive.
Alright, people. So,
100 meters. Stay to the right to Ingleside Drive.
basically, they're on Ingleside Drive now. Alright, yeah, so I could see what go on. Yeah, them say couple big house around here, so we don't know, we are check it out, see? Yeah. We about to check it out. So Mandeville people, I don't know, they talk to me, talk to me, me they at the right place, me can't find big house around here, so drop it in the comment section. And if I wanna say you come from, big up yourself. You see me? Yeah. Big up all the residents them. Ingleside Drive, you know? Yeah. Well, we'll start. I see 1 and 2. People them love say, yo, Mandeville you for go live, brother. And when them retire, them say, Mandeville not gonna live. Cause be a big house down there and it cool and it nice and yeah. To the hot though, I'm not gonna lie too now. You know, when I look for some posh house. That one I have to say. Some posh houses. I don't know if we are the right place to find some posh house around here, so I don't know. Y'all let me know.
100 meters. Stay to the right.
One and a bad, one and nice. Get bossy and all these things. I guess probably when we are come down back we see it better. Yeah, one the bad though. Color, the brown and the cream. Sell off.
The right to Ingleside Drive.
Yes, mama music.
400 meters. Turn left on Ingleside Drive.
Well, we are see 1 and 2 house, you know. I'm not impressed yet. You know, yeah, I'm not really impressed. I want the up there look nice too. With a palm tree surround it. House nice. I want to
100 meters.
right nice too.
Turn left.
Not bad. But big of the people who come from around and still, them have whole heap of yard space. whole heap of yard space there. You see me? Yeah. I wonder if I open some Ingleside drive start. Because I see one street sign while ago we say orange something or another, you know. Yeah. No, this left no. So I wonder if this left are actually Ingleside Drive. Because I guess open the name Ingleside.
Yeah. Left on Ingleside Drive.
Okay. Oh, but don't the road are Ingleside Drive because the sign of them saying only Ingleside Drive. Alright. Let's see what go on up there now. Yeah, open so cool.
Arrived at your destination.
Alright, thank you. You see me have arrived. Wow, watch a purple one now. Alright, yeah. It's not bad. Like it, it's big, it's stylish. And if I'm a favorite color this, but it's stylish, you know? Yeah man, the food so cool people. Cool. And it's stylish, but you know, would I spruce it up like a still. And I'm a favorite color this though, but everybody have them own a like, you know, for them place and a mind. Because you know how much millions for this? Oh. Watch one day around this so. Let's just go around here. Big one up this so. There's a driveway here guys, there's somebody gate. Can't go up there. Somebody gate. Somebody gateway that. Can't go up there. Somebody gateway people because them have them look like them electric gate up there. But it look nice, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's really nice. Because it look quiet and calm, not even mosquito no bite nobody up there. See my ass John Tam there. Yeah, big house up the people. Nah sure good that somebody yard. Me can't go in the people. No one they attack me. Before me come from Papa the Pantry, country with there, you know. Yeah, bird. Papa did it and them says separation I go on and see it. Papa ripe, bird I eat it. I know enough good I drop off to. Distribution of food people, that's the problem. No shortage of food not about, yeah? I make them check on the distribution, that's the problem there. Anyways, that's for another video. Alright, yeah, subscribe to my Candy Talk channel. Over there some rant and vent and go on the bag of thing. Yeah. Oh my god, up a cool. And a planting tree. Planting the on it. Could go up a little more and see no people. One day in front there's a nice thing. Man, no, I want to find one community where every house big. People in the comment section, people where they are where come from Mandeville, drop in the comment section and let me know which community I forgot. Where we can find the whole of the big house them in a Mandeville area, alright? Don't get me wrong, you know, we have a few big houses, you know, because all I want up on the right side nice, you know. Huge. Don't get me wrong, you know. But you know what I mean. We now see no big house people. We now see no one whole heap of big house. One turn, if I even one road. We can see some huge mansion man. Because I did go over the other place over there so when I did a look. Yeah, better I did go over there so. I go over there now. I want a bad door. Over the front there. Over the front there. On your bad. People won't think about that one in front of me. One a huge. Nobody no come and say nothing. Spin back I gate to fire so. Them people no come and say no ages. People that wanna huge. Should turn the way. Couldn't get to see it. See the people. I wanna huge, you see me? Yeah. Big old yard space, me know. Kim at the deliver like this. I have people, but me have to have crowd so every day. This big in a man. You have to have crowd so every day. Look already, so nobody no drive us, sir. Nobody no drive us, you know. Them people are going to live on a foreigner not coming from Ola. One of them big driveway here. No. Nobody live at them places still. Oh, so wait me so. Can exercise, walk from your veranda grill to your front gate. Good exercise, that alone you want to do a daytime as exercise. When they cross this, so the color them bad. Yo, them elaborate wall, yeah, man. Yo. Pine trees seem to be the thing, yes, sir. Yo. People come for big house today, I'm not gonna lie.
It's for sale.
Is that so?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Wow. This thing is huge. I go around as a people. And I make a way go down back in a people. I make a way go down back. But to all you have to stay one big house, so one big house, so one big house, so more find somewhere where the big house and the close together. Like my neighbor house big, neighbor whole heap of house the side and side. But up so nice and quiet though still, you know. Yeah man, it well cool. So one day in front of me, yo, alright. This we are talking about now. Yeah. Watch around your son. Oh man, man away. I be a man around here. A real man. I hear so we are talking about. Yeah. Every look, I saw one see big house. What you wanna? A castle this apartment this. Yes, cause it won't multiple meter them there for the wall. Cause I could do one person house now. Have to be apartment. Alright. Yeah people, so me get excited. Yeah man. I go up at the top, turn back and go back around to where I did I go originally. Yeah man. What? I joke at town, then I'll put more about where I be lost. I'll mock where I mock. At them people where I be lost. I mean know yes I have the biggest one them because I know I see comments people are gonna tell me which farm I did forgot. You see me? I mock where I mock in a town boy where I make house man. Them people where I make house, the house I make ya. And the wall them elaborate. Yeah man. Yeah, that blue is nice. Nice house there, you know, people. house is nice. Them people are build house. Man, the one up on the right is our apartment. Oh, we build bossy though, you know? Bossy man. Nah, like bossy. Bossy. Which room did I go? Don't say me there go. I say can I say somebody come? Yeah. So me go down this one. Land. And I good grass man have over there in a good land there. No foul grass. Oh. So the holy for you. Oh, that was so nice, eh? Oh, let's go left. So I'm gonna have everything up here. Right. If I want man house this. I want someone. Yo. People, these are nice. Yeah, it's nice. Them house ya house. Them house ya want see people. Yeah. It look like a something there up there, so. Now we'll go up there and turn. Yeah, we'll go up there and turn, people. Them house ya house. I'll go there and turn and then we'll come back from the left, the right. Them house ya house. Yeah, steep here, man. Ingleside. Water commission is one up and that water is life. I need to know that. Eh? Oh. Okay. And then I look through your body now. Coming soon. Wonder how long it did. So people they must say they must go build some townhouse somewhere up there, so. You see is a future site for build, you know? Townhouses and all these things. House are nice though, the color nice with the white. It's nice people, it's nice, it's nice, it's nice. So that hill is steep. Nice, me not gonna lie. It's nice, 2-car garage. and everything nice, man. So them do this bossy. You have the design follow through for the whole of the cafe. See? Because even on the door this and then the door for the entrance and above it. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad, man. I like it. Nice. Whole heap of arinca on the side. It's nice. I go around on the side here, people. Alright, so I'm not all that disappointed anymore, you know? I feel a bit better. Feel a bit better, people. I'm not all that disappointed. Apartment, you know? Yeah. Apartment. Yep. See the meter them there. I think school say look like downstairs and upstairs. A 2 meter alone, me see. So probably, I never know if apartment. Them one ain't no bad, nah lie. Yeah, all the Q3 park up. It's park up. Well, all the people in the yard attack. Yeah, man, them house are nice, man. Sell them money. They're nice, man. But the caves are really. Yeah, the view over there, sir. That thing, live up on them hill, you know, man. The view just spectacular more while. So when you up here now, you build your house, you just decide how you want to turn it. See the view, bro. Whoa.
Open trench.
Yeah.
So you know that we have the whole of that view.
The whole of the view over here, sir. I look for some more big house down there, sir. I wonder if none of them houses have pool in there or nothing. Oh, them red dirt there, backside. Over there, sir, way over there, sir. Yep. Feel like me go turn back still. Big house down there, sir, but them not all that elaborate people. You know, they're not all that. Yeah, but big up to the one of them for them houses still, you see me? Yeah, man, big up on yourself, man. You saw it. Keep them driveway. Alright. Ingleside. People drop in the comments in the comment section and let me know what you think so far about the whole community. Let me know what you think about the house them. If you know that live up here and everything. Up here feel cooler. Cooler than which part we are come from, it feel cooler. As me compared to which part we are come from, here is way cooler, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, that's nice. That's what I like this, the ambience this. Just look Nice. What is it? No, I'm never seen that. Ambiance is nice. Only but kids things and the on the veranda. Nice. And the door just open up. You know you not think about nobody running in a place like that. Because the grass up to my right, you know, but think me I gotta go. These houses are really nice, people. They're nice. I like this, you know. A person have a little farming, only for yam, the pan. Goat and whatever, yeah, like I'm gonna go and do some farming, you know. So I go. Build house for summer, we have to plant food because we have to eat good grass. I would have back the man grass, have the good grass gone, you know, man. Good land, them. Yeah. The land here, run up and down and walk barefoot upon. The tree they just start bare, just a blossom. Yeah, people, drop in the comments in the comment section. Tell me what you think about them places so far, you know. Where did that come from? We go back around there. You can get a different angle. Why do you call it? Because the blue house may sit on the next side, so yeah, right there. Yeah. The house, I say, build elaborate, big. Yeah, it build nice. It's well uniform. It build as a house, but it's an apartment. You see me? So yeah, it not build like how regular apartments build straight up in our ears. So style that you see the wall them and the column them them thick. So you see me I build more of them column them more. You see me? Equal column. Oh, okay. So this them called cul-de-sac, like when you reach on to the end. Thought it was a drive-through, like a true road. So which way would you go last? Jacqueline don't say nothing, you know. Every time we talk about last and country, you. Blue, yeah, that's cool. Yeah. It's too blue, though, you know. We'll have to put some more white in it, on the edges, them are so still, but it's cool. You sure not straight up with it we come from?
Right.
You sure when I come?
Already?
Oh, whenever pass up they come down. We go the way they go around back. Okay. You sure not Obe Sunday will come back down?
No, we passed Mandeville. This is Mandeville.
Okay.
Right,
Okay, yeah, perfect. Yeah, man, some of them. Yeah, people, if never that part came in, would have lost. Brother. Oh. These houses are nice though, people. I'm not gonna tell a lie. As me say, if you know other places in the Mandeville area which part only for big house there, you know, just tell me and make me know, no? Yeah, tell me and make me know. I make you see what I go on. See it? Yeah. What's over there, see there? Tell you. Even I try, I couldn't get a view right from that. See there? Open you can't see it properly. When I come out the road, come down the road. But open you can't see it properly. That's it. It don't look too bad. It look nice. Alright, here we come from. So, yeah man, alright, to come from. Coming down the beach a sign with that thing. Ingleside Drive. So, Ingle to California. Shout outs to all the new viewers, them, you know, big up on yourself, you know, don't know the thing, you know. Do remember to subscribe to the channel, you see me? And if you happen to like that video, I guarantee you that you check out the channel, there are a lot more videos that you will enjoy. A lot. Enough of them I do a whole heap of talking, and enough of them I just make the music go and play while I take on around the place, you see me? But as I say, I guarantee you gonna say you're gonna love it. So subscribe to the channel, check it out, and yeah. Feel free to leave a comment as well. Alright, Nick. Oh no, I couldn't write that right. So, yeah, so check out the channel, man. Alright, and I appreciate you guys, you know, watching this video. Manners and respect every time. You see me? Yeah, man. Manners and respect. Always.
Okay.
Another way?
Nope.
We lost people.
No, you last. Go up the sun, go straight down the road. Instead of you
Take the right.
Yep.
Oh. Look how we are good last people. Give thanks for Kim.
How many person look around you see that's another thing.
Oh. You got him to stop up and say, "Wow, come down here, man."
No, because I'm looking and I'm like, I've never seen here before. I've never tried like this. So when I go up now, yeah,
Okay. Alright.
I go back to sleep now.
Alright.
But I lunch that tell us it's about Christmas decoration.
See them palm they look now fluffy and enough because they might get the nice weather down here. Like when they're in Kingston and town, you know. Yeah, the place is hot, you know, getting rainfall.
Yes, it's here with the sign on.
Okay. We got a sleeping police coming through. We could actually pass over them sleeping police. Which way will you see moons again? What was the way that come from? I don't know.
You sure that was straight?
Straight cross? Alright, it looks straight cross-ish picture. As the vehicle come. Yeah, like a straight cross picture. And the, yeah. Yeah, there, I'll bless up. I wish we carry back to the main road. Straight. Alright, respect. People are squeaking sound there, the tint on the glass. And then don't forget rid of it. Sound awful though. But through the glass. From the tint that I go on, you see it? I think video come from. So the youth is straight. Ingleside Drive, Ingleside Heights. I should ask that Ella there. Let's take it straight. If we find ourselves somewhere last, we just put it in the GPS. Plug it in the GPS and see what I want. See.
It's the orange orange.
Yeah, but I will trade orange now. So where that come from? So we forgot. Round the south forgot. Round the south forgot. Round the way there forgot. Them a cut so. Cameraman here come away from him as if I go. Anything follow him. See, man, I go check in bridging round, so we are enough to follow a man go check in bridging. Come up here to see if you want to. What's that, man? Gone. I'm gone about in business, people. Oh, see, but this a big, you know, what for class to come do. So, alright, people, it look like we have to go. I don't hear that, yeah. Because, see this I carry some dead in it. I saw, you know, around some ground back, yeah. That look downhill. I will turn that into that section. I don't right way for true, man. Where we come from, I this how we do. Now, this feel like we are go back up the hill. Yeah, orange clothes and everything, see? Yep. Definitely going back up the hill. So go down so everything. You see me? People just try to figure it out without the GPS for right now. straight up the road. You can see the Orange Avenue. Yeah, yeah.
Like the number the house to myself.
Look for them myself. You see the parcel, you see the parcel thing in front there.
I would want them all.
Yeah. No? And this are so.
Family.
Yeah.
Alone can't do it.
Yep. True people, I remember the time there was on the street and well, say a taxi, I would know if you pack him and go down the road, so I move for follow. Yeah, my people. So I just want to say you bless upon yourself, you know. See that grill design there? Not my favorite design. Yes, people, bless upon yourself, you know. Give thanks for tag along on the journey, you know. As I say, all of the new people, welcome to the channel. Do remember to click the subscribe button. Please click like on the video as well. Alright? Yeah, click the like button, people. Click the like button. Alright, and drop on the comments in the comment section. You see me? Yeah, man. My name is 876 by birth. And in the background, I keep me here, she, you know, always there with me on the channel as well. You see? Yeah, we have multiple channels out there, you know. Well, that one is the most active one, though, to be honest. But once you go up on my homepage on YouTube, you will see all of them. Feel free to subscribe to all of them to our Mad Vibes. You see me? Yeah, man. Again, I just want to say thanks for watching. Bless up on yourself. Drop on a comment in the comment section. Yeah, man, alright, please. Can't remember them little PNP flag here. Yeah, which means I support no flag in the area. Like, you notice up so, the money people, them they will not to see no flag. We never see flag in a rich people place yet. Only for the part them way. You see me? I'm not saying these people don't find a party are poor, because I don't know. And they also look good same way too, so I don't know.
Some communities doesn't allow it.
Them not put in a no community. No flag, no fear put up with a PNP. Alright, massive. Reach back out from the mania now, you know. So bless up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man, manners and respect, you know. Little more, you know. I'm out. Later, my people, see? Yeah, remember to subscribe. Alright? Yeah. Later.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.